PureEdge Lighting presents the TruCurve 1 DIY flexible channel installation. Follow these steps to ensure a clean, secure, and professional result. TruCurve 1 enables seamless curved lighting integrated directly into walls and ceilings, creating continuous lines of illumination. Ensure power is off before starting electrical work. Installation must be done by a qualified electrician following local codes. Use this guide with other TruCurve 1 instructions. The product is suitable for wall or ceiling mounting. Refer to the TruCurve 1 components for complete installation details. Install the remote power supply within 40 feet of the junction box. Secure it using appropriate screws and anchors. Follow the provided instructions for complete wiring. Lay out the fixture on the floor to guide the positioning of each component, including the flexible TruCurve 1 channel and junction box with flexible end power feed. Install the power feed junction box by selecting the appropriate power feed connector for your design. Use adjustable mounting bars and brackets to secure the junction box to studs. Ensure compliance with local electrical codes by installing conduit and routing. Class 2 24 volts, direct current low voltage wires from the remote power supply to the junction box. Cut a section of drywall to expose the junction box opening. Use templates to align with the opening, securing them with painter's tape. Trace and remove templates. Wire the power connector to the remote power supply and test the LED strip. Ensure the LED strip is fully unrolled and powered without outages before re-rolling. Cut out the marked area on the drywall using a jab saw. Ensure the cut aligns with the installation direction for the flexible channel and power feed. Proper alignment is crucial for the junction box and take-up box installation. To install a channel without standard spaced joists, use perforated mounting straps every 12 inches behind drywall. For high vibration areas, install 2x4 support braces before finishing drywall to prevent plaster cracking. Mark the locations of mounting straps, support braces, and studs on the drywall for precise installation. Connect the channels by bending them into position, aligning top and bottom connectors, and cutting the bands to about 1/4 inch. Insert the bands into the channel and tighten the Phillips screw. Do not cut the channel. Use the top and bottom flex adapters to connect a straight channel to a flexible channel. Slide the flex adapter into the end of the straight channel and tighten the two M3 set screws. Connect the flexible channel to the flex adapter, cut the bands, insert them into the flex adapter, and tighten the Phillips screw to secure. Install take-up boxes at the end of the channel run. Connect channels to TruCurve 1 power feed connectors, following the provided instructions. Place the assembled channel into the drywall cutout. Secure the TruCurve 1 power feed connectors to the junction box using the provided screws. Ensure all connections are tight and secure for optimal performance. Secure the flexible channel to studs and straps with drywall screws, ensuring heads are flush. For straight channels, drill and countersink before securing. Use a mudding cover for plastering, sanding, and painting. Apply ultra-thin drywall tape along channel edges to prevent plaster cracking. Avoid overlapping tape strips and using the lens for finishing. Apply the recommended plaster method. Start with Durabond 25 using an 8-inch blade, followed by Easy Sand 45 with a 10-inch blade, and finish with a skim coat using a 12-inch blade. Use a 12-inch compound knife for smooth application. Sand evenly to blend with the surface, ensuring no seams. Discard the mudding cover after use. Refer to the power feed instructions to properly install the strip on the side of the channel. Clean the channel surface with alcohol to ensure proper adhesion of the LED strip. Uncoil the strip gently before application. Align the plus wire side of the power connector with the plus 24 volts, marking on the LED strip. Carefully remove the backing without detaching the tape. Bend the power connector and place it inside the end power feed. Fold the power connector and place it on the bottom right corner, moving left. Then, fold the second connector on the top left corner, moving right. Ensure connectors are on opposite corners to prevent dark spots. Secure the trapdoor with a Phillips screw and install the LED strip on the channel side. Place the power connector on the channel's side. Secure the trap door with the screw. Press the LED strip firmly to avoid air bubbles. Overlap strips to prevent dark spots. Trim excess LED strip at the dashed section and store it in the take-up box. Ensure full channel coverage with LED strips. Align the clear side of the lens with the LED strip and push it fully into the channel. If needed, trim any excess lens with sharp cutters. Remember, use the lens for a clean installation and avoid the mudding cover. This section covers general wiring diagrams for static white and RGB plus WLED strips. It includes details on 0 to 10 volt wires, power supply connections, and DMX signal integration. Ensure proper connections for optimal performance, using the specified voltage and color-coded wiring for both static and dynamic lighting setups. This slide covers the setup for a tunable white LED system. It includes components like the power supply, driver, and DMX controller. The system allows for color temperature and intensity adjustments using a 0 to 10 volt controller. There are specific inputs for dimming intensity and color temperature. When installing or reworking soft strip light-emitting diodes, avoid using tools to prevent damage. Clean surfaces with alcohol before installation. Use fingers to gently install or reposition the strip. For adhesive residue, use WD-40 or Goo Gone. Ensure adhesive tape covers the entire strip to prevent shorting. Contact PureEdge Lighting for replacement tape if needed.